Credit Admiral Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Credit Admiral and related credit repair resources are included in the description below. Credit Admiral is an advanced credit repair platform designed to help individuals take control of their credit scores by automating the repair process while providing comprehensive tools for ongoing financial management. It is ideal for people with poor to fair credit who want to repair their credit quickly and efficiently without hiring a traditional credit repair agency. One of its standout features is the easy-to-use automated dispute generation system, which allows users to dispute inaccurate or outdated items on their credit report in just a few clicks. Credit Admiral also offers a personal credit coach, a unique service that helps users understand their credit reports in depth and provides tailored advice to improve their credit profiles over time. This adds a level of personalized service that is often missing from more automated systems. The platform includes real-time credit monitoring, which keeps users informed about changes to their credit reports and alerts them to potential issues before they become major problems. Another key feature is the integration with all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, allowing users to manage and track their disputes from a single platform. Pricing is competitive, offering affordable plans that provide great value for the tools and resources available. However, like any credit repair tool, Credit Admiral does have its weaknesses. While the automated dispute system is fast and convenient, it still depends on the response time from the credit bureaus, which can take several weeks. Also, although the personal credit coach feature adds value, it may not be enough for users who need more extensive, one-on-one professional guidance. The platform also doesn't offer a full suite of financial education tools, such as budgeting or debt management advice, which could help users address the root causes of their credit problems. In summary, Credit Admiral is a solid, reliable credit repair tool that offers automation, real-time monitoring, and personalized coaching, making it an excellent choice for individuals who want to repair their credit efficiently. Check the links in the description to learn more and start improving your credit with Credit Admiral today.